Lots of Nigerians in abroad are being scammed in buying landed property in Nigeria. If you watch this video till the end, you'll understand why. These are 3 simple ways to avoid being scammed in Nigeria. Number 1, too much trust on family. Instead of working with a reputable and reliable real estate consultant who has direct access to the company and the properties. Let me share a little story with you for you to understand this aspect very well. Someone called me after watching my video on YouTube. He called me to explain why he stopped buying landed property. As a matter of fact, to express his disappointment on one of his family members, whom he sent money some time ago to buy some land for him. He actually sent money to buy land in 3 different areas here in Enugu. The cousin he sent the money, as a matter of fact, sent him some videos and documents claiming to be the document of the property and video showing the property. Of course, innocently he accepted and he was relaxed, thinking that, oh, I have some property in Nigeria. So after 5 years, he came back with the hope of selling 2 of the properties and then using the money to start development in the 3rd one. Unfortunately for him, nothing was actually bought. And the cousin couldn't explain himself. Of course, that is his blood. What would he do? Arrest him? Or do what? He can't do anything. Family members had to put him out and he has no choice than to forgive him. So, after watching my videos, he called to express himself and to tell me his fears. I explained to him the advantages and disadvantages when involving certain people in your landed property. The best is work with a good real estate consultant who would tell you things the way they are, who would make videos on the property, who would give you the opportunity of speaking with the managing director of the company if need be, who would help you anytime, any day to answer all the questions there is to be answered. It is good to send a family member for inspection with this realtor. Now, in this case, you're working with the realtor, but the family member you're sending is to help you to be sure that the land in question is in existence. Now, you see there's a difference. You have found a land through a real estate consultant. So now sending your family member is to just find out if truly the land is in existence and to find out if the company also is in existence. So it is more advisable to work with a reliable real estate consultant. I am not saying you shouldn't work with your family members, but I'm sharing a story of someone who has tried it and where it landed him. Now, if you have a trusted family member who has been doing this for you, come on, go ahead and work with him or her. But it is more preferable because if anything happens, this is family we're talking about here. You cannot do anything to him or her, remember. The second reason is failure to conduct due diligence. Due diligence is crucial in real estate investments. Number 1, to protect your investments, and secondly, to avoid falling victim of scam. Now, what are the things you do in this due diligence? You find out about the company selling the property. You find out about the property itself. You find out the title it has. You find out if it was truly registered or not. When you're done with all this information, you can now go ahead to make your payment. So some persons did not conduct due diligence. While conducting due diligence, you get the opportunity of knowing more about the company, knowing more about the property, knowing if the property is actually registered or not, knowing how reputable the company is. In case the particular property you are being told to buy at the moment isn't registered, get to know the reason. For instance, when we sold One World Estate at a pre-launch, it was not registered. But because of the reputation of the company, people trusted the company and bought. And of course, in no distant time, One World Estate will be registered. As a matter of fact, currently in Enugu State, no land registration is carried out because the new government is yet to settle and they are yet to do all the necessary things to be done for people to really register their land at the Ministry of Land. And that is the fact. You can verify, make your findings. That is the true reason, the actual reason why One World Estate was not registered. So in the case where somebody tells you, okay, come and buy this property, and the person still told you that it is not registered, number one, the person is being truthful to you. Number two, the reason is tangible. And at the same time, the company itself has about 15 selling estates that are registered. So the reason why One World wasn't registered is tangible. So having seen that other ones are registered, and this is the reason given for not registering this one, and it is in process. So when you consider these things, you will relax your mind and do business with such a company that has open mind, and they tell you things, and when you verify, the things they told you are the way it is. So it is advisable to conduct due diligence on any property you are buying. Trust me. When I say working with a good real estate consultant is the best, it is actually the best, because the person gets to tell you everything the way they are. Personally, I help my clients conduct due diligence. I help my clients navigate these rigorous processes involved in all this. I start by ensuring that before posting any property on this channel, I conduct due diligence on them. They are genuine and affordable, and of course, these are properties that would give you good return on your investment. The last but not the least, never you pay money into anybody's account for property. Pay money directly to the company's account. I have to echo this one very well. Last but not the least, pay the money directly to the company's account. When you're done with your due diligence and you're satisfied with the company, please pay the money directly into the company's account. Never you pay money into anybody's account, not even the trusted real estate consultant, not even your family member. So in the case where you're working with a real estate consultant and you involved a family member or a friend whom you sent for the inspection and then to carry out all the necessary investigation on your behalf, it's fine. It is advisable. You can do that. But when it is time for making payments, please, never you make the mistake of paying the money into that your friend's account or into the real estate consultant's account. Request for the company's account details. Pay the money directly into the company. It is more advisable and it is better. I hope you got value from this video. I hope I was able to open your eyes to what to avoid in order to prevent being scammed in buying land property here in Nigeria. I am still your best friend and your real estate consultant here in Enugu State, Nigeria. Love it, Anike. Call me on 0803 743 5005. If there is any question or questions, do not hesitate to chat me up on WhatsApp. Drop your comments at the comment section. Ask anything you want to know, any area you would want me to touch or explain better when it comes to your real estate investment. I am right here for you to answer all your questions. And if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly do so. Like my videos, share them, subscribe. There's a place written subscribe as you're watching this video. Click on it, subscribe, and then turn on the notification bell so that you'll be getting notifications anytime I upload my videos.